Imagine it's the start of that big ocean cruise you've been planning for so long. As you motor out the inlet, the boat is gently rolling and your crew is excited. You've spent a fortune preparing and have left nothing to chance. It's a windless day, and not long after you enter the ocean, the engine starts to sputter, and then it quits. Everybody is looking at you. The stress begins. Why did it quit? How do I fix it? Can I fix it? And is our position safe? Diesels shut down for three main reasons: fuel, fuel, and fuel. Contaminated fuel stops engines. Moisture in today's low-sulfur fuels create breeding grounds for microbes that foul your tank. Adding a biocide will often intensify the problem and can quickly clog your filter as the boat rolls. Live or dead, this mess will choke your engine at the worst possible time. Now, had you installed a KEENAN filter system, your engine would still be running. The early warning system would have immediately alerted you to a clogging filter or that water was detected. These advanced warnings give you the time to investigate the problem and allow you to switch filters manually or electrically from the helm while your engine just keeps running. You can even arm the system to switch filters automatically for you. Stress avoided. While powering along, you take a few minutes to replace the dirty filter element, prime, and place the new filter back online. With a clean filter now in reserve, you continue cruising the ocean with confidence. It's also reassuring to know your system can keep your diesel running even if that engine fuel pump fails. But back at the dock the day before, you could have polished all the fuel in all your tanks, spotted any contaminants in the clear filter bowl, and detected any water in that last load of fuel. You could even test your fuel system for integrity and leaks. Installing a KEENAN filter system lets you maintain the fuel system from the tank to the engine, know when problems start, and have the backup systems to keep you moving. KEENAN filters are not simply a collection of components. They are superbly engineered systems designed using computer-aided design technology. The systems have been tested, analyzed, and repeatedly optimized in computational fluid dynamic software. And thanks to shape optimization and precise CNC manufacturing, they are very compact and easy to install. Our designs use standard Racor filter elements and have been in service for over 20 years. They offer the finest in recreational, commercial, and industrial fuel filtration. Our design philosophy originates from our jet aircraft maintenance division, our love for sailing, and a determination to build products that cannot fail. Enjoy some peace of mind. Protect your vessel and crew with a KEENAN filter system.